I know it's been forever and I am so sorry for that. I just wanted to kind of just like be candid and real for a minute and just upload a quick video and just kind of talk about what's been going on in my life and where I'm at with YouTube content. So as a creator, I would say I have kind of gone through a creative block when it comes to YouTube. I mean, the platform has changed so much, and obviously like I came up in the era of YouTube when there were like beauty bloggers and all of the beauty content, and that was kind of my niche. And then I changed into a lifestyle platform, and now my life is just like so different. I really didn't know how I wanted to portray it on the internet, like or on YouTube or whatever, because this is a completely different type of platform. Like short form content has become so big, and now I feel like I kind of neglected my YouTube channel because I kind of went over to TikTok and Instagram and these other platforms, and I spent so much time on there that I kind of stopped uploading on YouTube. So I figured I would just upload a YouTube video and just be myself as usual, and just talk about what's going on in my life. There are a few things that I want to rebrand on this channel. Like, I really want to show what I have going on and what's going on in my life and the things that genuinely like just interest me. I don't really want to post just like random stuff, and I know like things are so different these days that I don't know, it's just kind of like up in the air. But I figured in the meantime I would just sit down and chat with you guys, and if you're interested, you stick around and share and talk with me and comment below and just like let me know how you guys feel, what you want to see from me, what you'd like to see. My life has changed a lot. I got married. I live in Florida now. I no longer live in Jersey. So much is different. And if you haven't kept up, I think the last video I uploaded was like a brand video, and like I don't want to be that person that just uploads on YouTube when I have a brand collab. You know what I mean? Like, this channel was built on me just being authentically myself, and I want to keep it that way. So I just thought that I'd come on here and chit chat and just say hi and let you guys know what's going on and what I'm up to. I am a social media manager, so that takes up a lot of my time, and so it makes it hard to upload my own content, like balancing both of them. But I told myself this year, 2025, 2026, that I was going to dedicate more time to my personal platforms and start uploading content on these channels and just kind of be more present and consistent instead of here and there. Oh, here's some content here and there. Like, that's not gonna develop an audience, right? Like, you guys aren't gonna tune in to me being on here sporadically. So I just figured I would talk with you and let you know that I am here, I'm back, and I'm gonna be uploading videos. I'm gonna hold myself accountable, but there is some content that I do want to share very, very soon. Just some things that actually interest me, and I thought that it would be cool now that I'm in the hospitality entertainment space in Orlando. I really want to showcase Orlando. I honestly have fallen in love with Orlando, and I never thought that I would. There's just so many great things to do here outside of Disney and Universal, and so I wanted to start like just really filming more in-depth personal content, and just kind of like, I don't want to say my day-to-day, because my day-to-day can just vary and be crazy when it comes to work. But if I can get any kind of content up on here about my life and just what I have going on, and just showcase some things that are really cool to me and I think that you guys would love and that are just helpful, I think that'd be great. It's still gonna be lifestyle content. It's still gonna be recipes and apartments and home decor and tours and all the things that I love, but just a new space and a new place. So if you guys are interested, I welcome you back to my channel, and I hope that you guys enjoy the things that I have to come. Comment below and just give me some ideas on what you guys want to see. I do still want to create content that my audience wants to see, but then I also love the idea of just kind of putting out new stuff out there and just going with it. So let me know. Love you all. Don't forget to comment below and subscribe and share this video. Love you. Bye.